Then another thing that they didn't mention was that you get nested loops. I'm not going to go into detail with this, but I just wanted you to see that this exists, because this is ultimately what you're going to use when you're doing your VCF files. You're going to loop through two files and compare them. So which means you're going to put, you're going to loop through the one and say, for VCF file number 1, and then look at whatever, maybe look at the snips in VCF file number 1. Then for all the snips in VCF file 2, compare the two, and if they match, for example, print it to the screen. So you're always going to use nested loops. So here I've got two lists. The one contains the names of people, the other one contains prizes. You can put a loop inside a loop and say, first loop through all the names in name, then loop through all the prizes in prize, and then do something with that information. Okay, so it's going to go occupy, name is going to first occupy array, but before it goes on to Shay, it's going to go down into this loop and go, prize occupies car, so it's going to go, and then it's going to print it, so it's going to go, Ray gets a car, and print that. It's going to go, this contains Ray, and then it's going to go into the next one and go prize now holds car, and then it's going to execute this, and then it's going to go up, and it's going to complete Ray for every item in the second one. Then it only moves on to Shay, and it does it for Shay, and then to K, and it does it for K. Okay, so again, this is also something that you need to practice, and we're going to do a little more of these exercises in conditionals. But we spent quite a bit of time now with this theory, but this is just, again, don't get overwhelmed when you see some of the stuff that we're doing here. Some of it is, I'm just showing you so that it's not the first time that you see it. So then when we do the rest of the stuff, some of it looks kind of familiar to you, because that repetitively seeing something also takes away some of the unfamiliarity of it, so that you're more comfortable when you use it. And also, you have the code, you have it in GitHub, and you have these YouTube videos, so you can always go back. You'll never know, sometimes somebody does something and then you have to do something, and then you go, oh wait, somebody did something similar, I think I can get that to work. I can't remember how exactly to do it, but I know it was done. And it's sometimes that gets you over that hurdle, just knowing what's out there to do. And knowing in this case where to find it so that you can adapt it for your own code. So don't get overwhelmed that you don't know how to use all of this now. Just remember it is there and you might find it useful.